Kia ora tātou katoa. A little bit like Garth, I have a bit of a story going back 50 years, where for me, our Cook Islands journey began. The journey that led us to today's event, for me, began in 1974. It was in June of that year that Premier Sir Albert Henry represented the Cook Islands at the United Nations Law of the Sea Conference in Caracas, Venezuela. At that meeting, Sir Albert made an impassioned plea on behalf of all small island states to be given the same rights to the 200-mile economic zones that we enjoy today. In 1972, Sir Albert had been shown nodules, I think by Sir Tom, that were found in our Cook Islands waters. He was aware that when technology allowed, this resource would be of enormous benefit to the Cook Islands people. As his grandson, I'm very proud and privileged to be here today as part of that journey. I'm also very proud that this government has, through the hard work and dedication of very many people, brought us to this exciting milestone, where we're about to begin exploration in our own EEZ. Cook Islands Investment Corporation, Seabed Resources Limited, we're extremely proud and excited to be here on this historic occasion, representing our country's joint venture with the Belgian company GSR. It is through this joint venture our country will not just receive royalties and taxes, but as equal partners, our Cook Islands people will participate in all aspects of this new and exciting industry. Already, our CIIC General Manager, Eusenio Fatialofa, has participated in 3 offshore campaigns, alongside some of the world's best engineers and scientists in their fields. The application process we've just been through has been rigorous and robust. We've all been working very hard for this last year and a half to get where we are today. We've been working across several different time zones, and within the confines of COVID-19 environment has at times made things a little more challenging than normal for everyone involved. However, with this event signing ceremony completed, we can now look forward to commencing our exploration work here in the Cook Islands. CIIC was born in 2016 from a very special association of 2 countries located on opposite sides of the world. These countries, the Cook Islands and Belgium, share common values, common ambitions, and for sustainable objectives for the planet. After several years of successful offshore exploration campaigns already in the Clarion-Clipperton Zone, CIIC has shown that this kind of partnership, mixing different cultures, skills, and knowledge and know-how, is not only possible, but enjoyable and of mutual benefit. Unfortunately, due to travel restrictions imposed by the COVID-19 global pandemic, our joint venture partners, GSR Cook Islands, and key members of that team are unable to be here in person, but I know have joined us online, which for them is somewhere around 2 a.m. in the morning. But to you all out there, kia ora to Philippe, one of our directors, kia ora to Chris, to Francois, to Sam, and of course to small Chris that leads our campaigns offshore in the Clarion-Clipperton Zone up until now. Welcome to join us for this ceremony today. We feel humbled and very honoured as a joint venture to be part of this Cook Islands historic and history-making event. We are aware that this honour comes with a huge responsibility, and we want you to know that CIIC is committed to taking great care of the marine environment, and our promise to the people of the Cook Islands is that CIIC will conduct its business very much aligned with our Marae Moana principles. We are acutely aware that the name ocean for our planet would have been much more apt than what we call it today as Earth. And for the Cook Islands, this ocean is home for all of us. As we move forward, we'll carry this sentiment of the ocean with us. In closing, I really wish to thank Alex Herman and her team at the Seabed Minerals Authority for their hard work and cooperation over the last 16 months. We look forward to continuing to work cooperatively with the authority for the coming years. Kia ora, e ke manuia.